Hey guys, this is the JW Marriott in Uptown Charlotte. I wanted to show you guys the room. Really great layout, lots of closet space, had a little robe, which was nice. I really like the vanity area here. Thought that was really cute. They had the ottoman. Was really nice getting ready in the morning there. The fridge, your typical little mini fridge, but I do like the drawers beside the fridge could pull out, so it's easier to get anything you left there. Lots of counter space and dresser space. Really nice desk, as you can see, depending on, of course, where you're in the hotel. Great views of Uptown. Really comfy beds, which were nice. Definitely had great night's sleep while I was here. The bathroom was really nice. So we have the sliding barn door, but then got the great lighting in the bathroom, lots of under the sink space. The toilet and the shower were separated. This is a huge shower. You could literally lay down in it, which was really nice. Really like that. And I like how obviously the toilet area was separated. And yeah, really great stay.